somewhere. I need to go somewhere. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Viennese and today we're doing a frosted smoky eye. These are the results from the tutorial that you're about to watch, so let me stop talking and let's get into the video. We're gonna start with this primer. This is the Sigma eyeshadow based primer that I forgot to use in the last video. I'm just going to apply it. And I just broke it. Push it down. Wait, no. And we're just gonna try again and not raise it up so high this time. And this is very, very creamy. Then I'm gonna take this Sigma medium sweeper, the E54 brush, and I'm just going to spread this primer out. This one's pretty thick. I'm used to using concealer, so this is different. But I really want this frosted eye look to really show and be really frosted. Okay, we're gonna stop there. And today I'm gonna be using the Saharan by Juvia's. So taking my eyeshadow brush, I'm using the Sigma E54 medium sweeper. And I'm gonna dip into this shade right here. I'm just gonna really pack that over top. On top of my lid, I'm really going to just pack that in because I want this eye look to be super frosty. I just want to really make sure I'm packing it in. All right, so after I've done that, I'm going to go in with my E25 blending brush, and we're going to use this really dark shade right here just to put on the outer corner. And I'm just going to go over like midway to blend these two colors. I'm so excited to do this look because I love doing eyeshadow looks like this. And over the past few years, I feel like I haven't done anything like this, and I used to love doing them so much, but this is just fun, like tapping back into my creative side of eyeshadow looks. And if you all like these kind of looks, let me know. That's what life's all about, new positive things, just marrying those together. Wow, that looks amazing. That looks so good so far. Okay, so I'm getting excited, but I'm going to remain calm. I'm going to use this nice tan color right here at the bottom just to put underneath my brow. I just want a pretty like brown. This is literally like the same color as my skin, just mattifying that area and bringing a little bit of color, but not too much. My kids are listening to PBS Kids, if you all hear that in the background. Then I'm going to take a clean fluffy brush with nothing on it. This is the Tapered Blending E35 Sigma brush right here. And I'm just going to go over top of those two colors and just swipe over to really make those edges blend like so. I want a wing because I love wings. So let's go ahead. And I'm just going halfway in for the wing, not fully over the lid. Alright friend, we're not done with this eye look yet, but I am going to go ahead and go into foundation. And for today's look, I'm going to use my Nars Soft Matte. And I use the color Macao. I'm just going to dot that all over. This is to me, in my opinion, this is a super matte. Whoop, and I threw the lid. Foundation, I feel like if you want your makeup to stick, use this. If you want no shine, use this. And if you want a beautiful finish, use this. Because this, oh, I got a little bit of black on there. We gotta get that off. And that is why I'm so happy. This switcher from Sigma, I'm telling you, it's so good. Okay, so I'm just gonna get that off there because we definitely do not want that on our face. I'm just going to spread out this foundation. I'm not really concentrating under the eye because we're going to add concealer there. I definitely feel like I should go somewhere after this. And I hope you start wearing silver too if you're into makeup and changing it up and just wanting a new kind of look. Silver is so pretty. I just want to start experiencing all of the different colors and tones because you are beautiful and you can rock any look. It's just all about how you put it together. So the next thing I'm going to do is take my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, this one right here, and it's in the color Deep Cinnamon, and I'm going to go ahead and put it underneath all the places that I want to highlight. So a little bit under my eyes, the same places I always put. My nose, a little bit up here on my forehead, smile lines and my chin. And I'm also going to go in with my Laguna 04, the bronzing cream. This is so good. I haven't used it in a while, but it's so good. I know you've probably heard about people using it, but let's see. I'm going to take my multitasker brush by Sigma, the 547. I'm so glad I got all these new brushes. It just really excites me. I'm just going to put a little bit there. This bronzer smells. It has a very sweet smell. And I'm going to put a little bit along the sides of my nose. I don't really contour my nose anymore at all, so we're not doing a lot with that. I'm just going to put a little bit here. And I've also liked using these to spread out my concealer. Makeup is ever changing. You never know what you're going to start liking, and to each his own. Some girls use brushes, some girls use puffs. And I've learned that you really have to cater it to you, to your face, to the way you want your makeup to look. You can't necessarily even adopt what you see other people doing, because everyone has different facial structures and techniques, and you might not need to do it the exact same way they do. So that's what makes makeup fun. You do it the way is easiest for you, gives you the result that you want, and you just go from there. And I love that. Then I'm going to take that multitasker brush and just blend in that bronzer just to bring in that warmth. I'm having a blast, a literal blast. Next, I'm going to take another puff and we're going to set this concealer. And I'm using my Huda Beauty Cinnamon Bun Bake and Set Powder. Put it on my puff, put it on my hand, and just take off the excess. And go ahead and set that concealer under my eye. And I'm pressing it into my skin. I love how smoothing that is. Over my smile lines, down here, and over top of my head. I'm literally just pressing that all in. It is hot in here. It was like 90 degrees today. Whew. Okay, now we're going to go back to the eyes. We're going to go back to the eyes, and I'm going to use those same two colors. We literally are using the same two colors. We're going to use this pretty silver right here, and I'm going to line it under my eye here. Be careful with this step because you do not want eyeshadow in your eye. And then I'm going to take this Sigma Flat Definer E15 brush, this one right here, and I'm going to go back into the black, and I'm just going to line the outside of my eye on the other side. And I'm just kind of bringing that up towards my wing. I just did a short on this lip combo that I said always works, and it's the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip liner in the color Malt. And I'm just going to go ahead and line my lips. And then I'm going to go into the 111402. This is the matte lipstick by Wet n Wild, and we're just going to put that in the middle. Then over top of that, we're going to mix the 111401, which is a lighter pinkier shade. So good. And then we're going to use this e.l.f. lip oil. This is in the color Pink Quartz as a topper. Okay, so now I'm going to do a little bit of highlight because we're feeling frosty, right? This is Frosted Smoky Eye. We're going to use the Sigma Blush Bronze Star, this one right here. And this is literally a blush and a highlight, which I love. And I'm using the highlight brush, the F03 High Cheekbone Highlighter. And we're just going to highlight our cheeks where we see that shine, not too much. And this does have a pinkish tone to it, as you can see that. I'm going to take a little bit with my finger and put it on my nose, and a little right here, the bridge of my nose, the very top. And then one of the final steps are lashes. I'm going to use three. These are three of my favorite mascaras. The Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect, the green, the Maybelline Sky High. All these are waterproof, by the way. And the Smashbox Super Fan. I put this one on first, this one second, and this one third. So we're gonna speed through this. And I'm actually just gonna use the Smashbox at the bottom because this mascara is so good for your bottom lashes. It's something about the brush, it really just grips on to those bottom lash hairs. And I'm just going to apply it to the lashes. I'm going to use this Essence Lash Pen, a liquid liner, and I'm just going to go on my waterline just to clean that up just a little bit more and make it even more detailed. It really just does something. The details, the little bitty details. I'm going to take that e.l.f. This is the e.l.f. Expert Liquid eyeliner. It's only $3 and it's jet black. I love the little precise brush on here. I use it for my wing and I'm also going to use it for moles. Alright, we're going to use this e.l.f. Stay All Night Blue Light Micro Setting Mist. Took that scarf off and we're just going to spray. I learned, don't talk and spray. And alright you all, this is the final look. I love how this came out. It is so pretty. You saw that we only used like 2 colors. All these products I used today, amazing. So I'll have them all linked in the video. Be sure to shop. Thank you so much if you shop through my links because it does give me a small commission and help the channel, and just thank you all for your support. Thank you for everything. I'm just grateful for you all to just be doing this. Let me know what do you think about this look down in the comments, especially you all that have been here for a while and this is just, you know that I normally do an everyday makeup look, but this is okay. We're gonna start doing some fun looks too. All right, and before you leave, if you like this video, if you learned anything, if it helped you at all, please give me a like. And as always, I love you. Most importantly, Jesus loves you. And I will see you on my next video. Bye.